Hey everyone, welcome back. I recently bought Patanjali Somya Liquid Detergent, so let's see its full review and demo. This one is 500 ml pack and MRP is 80 rupees. It has shelf life of 24 months. You can safely use it on your winter wear, silk, chiffon clothes, and the liquid has the same translucent golden color just like Ezee. It has thick consistency and the fragrance is really amazing. If you are washing clothes by hand, just mix one cap of this only with a half bucket of water, and it produces good amount of foam. Soak the clothes for 15 minutes and then wash normally. For machine wash, just add one cap, that's it. And you can totally call it an easy substitute. This is a gentle liquid detergent made with neem and lemon formula. It doesn't shrink clothes, and even after drying, the clothes still smell great. So this winter, you can try Patanjali Somya Liquid Detergent and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.